Imagine being 75, in pain every day, unable to walk up the stairs in your own home. You've spent 50,000 rand trying to fix it, doctors, physios, chiropractors, injections, and nothing works. That was my client's story until she discovered what was really behind her pain. When she first came to me, she was exhausted physically and emotionally. Her knees were so painful that every step felt like climbing a mountain. She'd come downstairs in the morning and wouldn't go back up until bedtime, no matter what she forgot. She had tried everything: physiotherapy, acupuncture, chiropractic, medications, supplements, all with no lasting relief. Even her bone density was getting worse. It wasn't that her doctors didn't care. They genuinely wanted to help. But the problem wasn't being addressed at the cellular level. So here's the revelation, the 3 secrets we discovered. 1. Her nervous system was in a state of constant inflammation, sending pain signals non-stop. 2. Her mitochondria, the power plants in her cells, were running on empty, so the body couldn't repair itself. And her copper peptide, the GHK-Cu levels were extremely low, meaning her body's natural repair signals had gone silent. So what was the solution? We started with a simple nutrition intervention: an anti-inflammatory diet, essential minerals, and targeted supplements to calm the nervous system. Then we activated her body's repair mechanisms through a non-invasive therapy that elevates her copper peptides. The results were extraordinary. Within weeks, she regained mobility. Within months, she was walking pain-free, full of energy, and even renovating her flat again. She now climbs stairs easily, paints again, and recently took a flight by herself, pain-free and full of vitality. If you've been trying everything, spending money, doing all the right things, and still not getting better, maybe it's not your fault. The real solution might lie in restoring how your cells function, not just treating the symptoms. Book your free 30-minute consultation. The link is in the description or bio, and let's find the missing link to your recovery.